In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Dear learners, first of all, my sincere greetings to you. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all students of Kutya Tulberi High School to online class. Dear learners, I am Asam Nizul Karim. Now, going to start with you online with class with you on English grammar and composition. Today I am going to start discussing with you about the connector, which is very important for class 9 and 10. Connector is a word that works as a conjunction to join two or more words, phrases and close together. অর্থাৎ অর্থসঙ্গতি বজায় রেখে এক বাক্যের সাথে অন্য বাক্যের সংযোজন করতে যে সকল শব্দ ব্যবহার হয় তাদেরকে কানেক্টর বলা হয়। Today, dear learners, we are going to discuss that connector which are used to express the result of any action or work. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard and listen to me and stay with me. Follow me what I say very attentively. To express result, dear learners, we use this connector. As a result, so, for this, therefore, for this reason, this is why. All connectors are used in the sentence to express result of any action or work. Dear learners, let's start to understand the class by giving some example. Try to understand how we can use above this connector in the blanks. Dear learners, follow the example. Monir neglected his studies. He made a poor result. In the sentence, we see that Monir neglected his studies. This sentence indicates the action or events. After blank sentence, express the result of first sentence. How? Monir neglected his studies. Monir তার লেখাপড়ায় অবহেলা করেছিল, ফলে above connectors you can use from above connectors any one connectors you can use. He made a poor result. তাহলে মনির neglected his studies, মনির তার লেখাপড়া অমনোযোগী ছিল, ফলে he made a poor result, সে খারাপ রেজাল্ট করলো। তো dear learners, from above connectors we can use any one. তো as a result তাহলে মনির neglected the studies, as a result he made a poor result. মনির তার পাঠে অবহেলা করেছিল, ফলে he made a poor result, সে একটা খারাপ রেজাল্ট করলো। Dear learners, so first sentence here indicate the events. Then next sentence express the result of first sentence. Also, to express the result, we can use above connectors any one. Next sentence, the learners follow. Javed was born in a poor family. Javed is born in a poor family. He could not continue his studies. Dear learners, here you can see that same. Javed was born in a poor family. জাবেদ একটি দারিদ্র পরিবারে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিল, গরিব পরিবারে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিল। ফলে ফলাফল ফলে হি কুড নট কন্টিনিউ হিজ স্টাডিজ বা অতএব হি কুড নট কন্টিনিউ হিজ স্টাডিজ অথবা দিস ইজ হোয়াই এই জন্য হি কুড নট কন্টিনিউ হিজ স্টাডিজ। অর্থাৎ dear learners, when the sentence express the events or action and after blank sentence express the result, then you can also above connectors anyone. So dear learners, let's get the plans. Javed was born in a poor family. জাবেদ একটি দারিদ্র পরিবারে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিল। ফলে he could not continue studies অতএব he could not continue studies অথবা সুতরাং so দিলে হবে so but this is why for this therefore any one connectors we can use to express the result of events. Dear learners, now follow third example. Hope that dear learners you have understood the matter or topics, how we can use connectors of results. Third sentence, he was ill, he could not attend the meeting. He was ill, ঘটনাটা কি? সে ছিল অসুস্থ। ফলাফল কি? he could not attend the meeting. Dear learners, same way we can use above connectors. He was ill, so for this, so therefore, for this reason or this is why he could not attend the meeting. So dear learners, we can use here anyone for this reason. But for this, he was ill, for this he could not attend the meeting. Dear learners, hope that you have understood the class of today. Now for you some homework. Write down homework on your notebook, dear learners, and it will do at your home. Now dear learners, write down homework on your paper, on your notebook. Children follow their parents. Parents should be honest. Number one example. Number two. Many students kill their time by using Facebook. They cannot prepare the lesson well. Third sentence for you, or last sentence. Honest is the best policy blanks. We should be honest. Dear learners, following above sentence or above example, you can do next sentence at your home. No more today. The learners, stay at home. Don't go out unnecessarily. Stay healthy. See you and again. Thank you, dear learners. Goodbye.